So my Renken 2000 is a little bit of an issue. It's a problem you get with most of these older boats. String will rotted out. So I thought, I know, I'll do what they say online and take the stringer out, and you'll have a gap between the two fiberglass, and you just backfill it with layers of fiberglass and the peanut butter mix sort of stuff, and it'll be fine. Now, because there wasn't actually anything holding my one together, there was a piece on this side, on the outside, there's nothing on this back of this engine mount at all, and the other piece, well, it wasn't connected to the top or the bottom, so it was just floating. It was shittily made. I get into the fiberglass, into the foam afterwards, and it's full of water, absolutely. So that's screwed. So that means the floor up, great, wonderful, and then floor up, foam out, replacing the bits of wood that need replacing because it's going to be replacement at this stage. Marine ply on top, refiberglassed floor. That's what I wanted to do with that lot. Well, the rest of it's actually quite solid, but needs must. Shit.